It's time for some IU.
Mother Nature.
I to the U.
In parentheses, H₂O.
Oh. So Mother Nature means H₂O?
I think so, because all of Mother Nature is created by H₂O.
Yes, you could drink it, and then you'll become part of nature?
Yes, one with nature. Feel it flowing through you.
I will become a flower. I will become a lilac.
That's supposed to be the lilac dance, if you couldn't tell.
Really good. All right, IU, a brand new song. It looks like it's just gonna be like an animation type music video. She's not gonna, I don't know if she's gonna make an appearance. Maybe her face will just pop up. She'll be like,
Hi, I'm
IU. But yeah, we got a new IU song. Very unexpected. It seemed like this was announced like very recently.
Yeah,
They're
like
just like,
2 days
oh
ago.
yeah, guys, there's a new song coming. Hope
Yeah.
you enjoy it.
With Kang Seungwon.
Kang.
So, yeah.
The only Kang I know is Kang Dan.
Yeah, Kangy Danny boy.
Kang Dan boy.
If you want some more IU stuff, though, we got a whole playlist with tons of IU reactions already on the channel.
Yes, we do.
And then we also have stuff on the Patreon as well, all of Hotel Del Luna, and we're doing My Mister every week.
So check that out. Lots of content for IU if you're loving IU. And right here, another one for you guys. Hopefully you enjoy. Subscribe, like the video. We don't have any subtitles yet. Here we go. Mother Nature. H₂O.
Wow. Her voice on this.
Very soft. Oh no.
What the?
They just drown in that black water.
That black H₂O.
Yes. The instrumental is very Disney. It's like, this seems like a Disney song that would be playing in the background of some part where the characters are falling in love, or like, it could be even like a lullaby. I could just be like, IU, put me to sleep.
Yeah, IU's voice fits it so well. She's doing this nice, like, soft. It's like a different tone than we normally get from her, too.
Very soft. Nice fade out.
잠자던 나의 모성애가 깨어
Wow. No, it's all blowing away, Mother Nature!
Mother Nature will always reclaim what is it.
The destruction of Mother Nature. Wow, nice song. A nice, soft, you're just softly singing across this. And it's actually cool that I'm assuming it's a he. I guess, I don't know if Kang can be a unisex name or not.
Yeah.
But he wrote the lyrics. He wasn't in the song at all. But actually, he got in the title. A lot of artists, they have other people write their lyrics and then you don't really get them mentioned in the title or anything.
Yeah, and this one too, it's cool that someone did the drawings for it too, because it was a super like cool aesthetic to the music video, just to have the dancing with the drawings going through the whole
And then
time.
they drowned
Yeah,
in the
that's a bit
water.
unfortunate.
And they blew away, and then they got smashed by the box at the end.
Yeah.
A lot of sad stuff going on. Really
Yeah.
sad. But IU's voice in it was really nice. Like I said before, it had like a Disney vibe with the like, woo, like the instruments kind of like picking up and going down. Like you could just imagine like an animation running or like falling or sliding or seeing their parents die because that's Disney.
Yeah, true. Yeah, always in the beginning of the movie. I really like the part where it picked up though, right in the middle. That was super good. Her vocals over that were great. She did the super high note. It was great.
I also like that. I like when she does these really soft songs. Like, I mean, I love her pop songs. I like her really ballady, more like intense vocals. But then you mix in these soft songs. It's literally like I could see just somebody just like. And IU, just let IU put you to sleep.
Yeah.
Put a little lilac on your nose so you can smell some lilac as you fall asleep. And never wake up.
I don't know about that. I like to wake up.
You're never not waking up, so how do you know you don't like that?
Yeah, true.
Anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed another IU reaction. If you did, subscribe, like the video. We got more coming soon. Check out our travel channel, link down in the description below, and we'll see you in the next one.